Would you believe it only cost 47 euros and 63 cents to make this sushi party? Amazing, isn't it? 200 pieces for under 50 euro. It would easily be enough for 6 to 8 people. Stick with me till the end and I'll share all the tips with you. Here is a list of ingredients. Prices may vary in different shops. I am starting off by prepping the rice. Rinse it well a few times under cold water. You want the water to be clear. You'll find rice cooking instruction on the packing, but I'll read it out to you. Wash the rice thoroughly. Add 1 cup rice to 1.5 cup of cool salted water. Bring to boil. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes or until the water has been absorbed. Turn off the heat and allow to sit for 10 minutes. While rice is cooking, I like to prep my ingredients. Cut them up and organize on the plate. My workstation is always organized and tidy. I like to clean as I go. Remember to recycle those plastic, cans, or cardboards. They need to be cleaned for recycling. Let's make a difference to our world. I don't want to live in a dirty environment. Unfortunately, there are people who don't care. I don't want to live here, and I hope I will be able to move with my family somewhere where people do care about our planet. I'm going to divide rice into 2 portions, just because my kids don't like the vinegar. You can skip this step. Now add a bit of sugar, mix it, and let it cool a bit. All this process is quite time-consuming. It took me about 3 hours, but it was well worth it. In the meantime, I'm going to fry gyoza dumplings and cook edamame beans. My husband is back, so he's going to join me. Look at this glove. At the end, I was left with one sushi mat and some ingredients. I run out of rice, but I will still use those leftovers. I highly recommend that you'll watch my other videos, including my shopping haul in Asian store in Dublin. Oh, I forgot, I eat so many of those unaesthetic pieces because I was so afraid of being judged on YouTube. People are first to criticize you, and that's why I ate about 20 pieces that weren't nice. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys for watching.